Welcome, friends and creators, to a world where old wood transforms into new beauty, where worn-out planks become priceless decor, and where your creativity becomes a pathway to real income. Today's journey invites you into the warm, timeless charm of rustic artistry, where reclaimed materials carry stories, character, and the magic of reinvention. As you watch, you'll discover how something once abandoned can turn into high-profit rustic wall art that modern homeowners love. This is your invitation to unleash imagination, reshape forgotten wood, and build art that shines in today's stylish homes. In this exploration, we'll walk through the power of reclaimed wood, why people crave it, what makes it valuable, and why it sells so well. There's an emotional depth in using old wood. The cracks, textures, dents, and organic tones become marks of authenticity. People no longer want perfect factory-made decor. They want something with soul. That is exactly where your craft comes in. By understanding how to embrace imperfection and turn it into beauty, you unlock a surprisingly profitable creative venture. As you dive deeper into this video, you'll see how rustic wall art blends effortlessly with modern spaces. Homeowners today are mixing minimalist layouts with raw, earthy elements. That combination creates balance, warmth, and personality. So when you create reclaimed wood wall decor, you are giving buyers exactly what they want: uniqueness, sustainability, and cozy visual charm. And the best part is that you don't need expensive materials or tools, just creativity and passion. Throughout this journey, you'll discover simple techniques for selecting the right wood. Whether you're sourcing from old pallets, broken furniture, or construction remnants, each piece holds potential. Weathered wood gives the rustic feel instantly, while smoother pieces can be carved, burned, or stained to create specific design styles. The key is learning to see beyond the surface and imagine what that piece of wood can become. You'll also learn how to prepare your reclaimed pieces safely and properly. Cleaning, sanding, curing, and repairing are essential steps in preserving the natural character while ensuring durability. You'll see how to keep the wood's rustic charm intact while giving it a refined finish that modern buyers expect. Once you master these basic steps, the creative possibilities become endless. With each paragraph in this guide, you'll also discover how to craft designs that sell quickly. From geometric patterns and layered textures to nature-inspired shapes and farmhouse-style signs, the market is full of opportunities. Rustic wall art never goes out of style, and because each piece is handmade, customers feel they're buying something special and meaningful. That's exactly what gives your creations higher selling power. As you continue, you'll uncover the secrets behind choosing the right colors, stains, and finishes. Soft browns, washed whites, charcoal grays, and warm amber tones are among the most popular. These blends make the wood's natural grain stand out beautifully. Enhancing the texture of the reclaimed material is what turns simple wood into luxury decor pieces, and your finishing choices make a huge difference. This guide will also walk you through adding depth and dimension to your pieces. Layering planks, mixing thicknesses, and experimenting with angled cuts can take a design from ordinary to extraordinary. Buyers love 3D rustic art because it becomes a striking centerpiece on their walls. Even simpler designs can be elevated with small details like rope accents, metal touches, or carved symbols. As you continue listening, you'll explore creative techniques like wood burning, stenciling, charring, hand painting, and distressing. These methods help you add personality and storytelling to each piece. A simple burn line pattern can turn scrap wood into a modern masterpiece. A distress technique can create a vintage effect that buyers adore. Your creativity becomes your competitive advantage. You'll also discover how to price your reclaimed wood art for maximum profit. Because you're using low-cost or even free materials, your profit margins can be incredibly high. Customers value handmade craftsmanship, and when they understand the effort and uniqueness behind your work, they are willing to pay premium prices. This video helps you build confidence in valuing your creations properly. Marketing your rustic wall art is another essential skill you'll uncover. Whether you sell online, at local markets, or through social media platforms, showcasing your work beautifully can make all the difference. High-quality photos, storytelling captions, and consistent branding help your pieces stand out. Buyers aren't just purchasing decor, they're investing in emotion, style, and sustainability, as you move into the next ideas. You'll learn how selecting the right size of decor can attract more customers. Large statement pieces appeal to clients with spacious homes or modern apartments, while smaller pieces fit perfectly in cozy bedrooms, hallways, or office spaces. Offering variety ensures that your audience finds something suited to their needs, increasing your sales potential. That you'll discover how mixing modern minimalism with rustic elements creates powerful visual contrast. Clean lines paired with rugged textures create an artistic balance that appeals to a wide range of style preferences. This blend makes reclaimed wood art flexible for nearly any interior theme, from industrial lofts to farmhouse cottages. By understanding these combinations, your designs become more marketable. Throughout this content, you'll see how important it is to maintain originality. Even if similar designs exist online, your interpretation, your hands, and your creative decisions make your pieces unique. No two pieces of reclaimed wood are ever the same, which gives your work automatic exclusivity. Embracing that uniqueness helps your brand stand out in a crowded market. This video also encourages you to experiment with custom orders. Personalized pieces, names, quotes, family symbols, or meaningful shapes always sell quickly. People love owning decor that feels personal and intimate. When you offer customization, you open the door to premium pricing, repeat customers, and a strong reputation. That you'll also learn how reclaimed wood carries cultural and emotional value. For some people, it represents tradition. For others, it symbolizes sustainability and the desire to avoid waste. And for many, it simply brings warmth into their homes. By understanding these emotional hooks, you can create art that resonates deeply with your buyers. As you continue through the message, you'll find inspiration to explore new patterns and themes. Nature scenes, abstract shapes, rustic signs, mosaic-style panels, and vintage-inspired artwork all can be created from reclaimed wood. Your artistic freedom is limitless, and your ability to experiment is what sets you apart from mass-produced decor. That you'll also discover how turning old wood into high-value art is not just a craft, it's a business opportunity. Many creators have started small and built successful income streams by selling rustic wall decor. With consistency, creativity, and passion, you too can grow this into something meaningful and financially rewarding. As we near the end of this long journey, this message encourages you to remain patient with your craft. Every cut, stain, and design choice shapes your skills. Growing as an artisan takes time, but each piece you make brings you closer to mastery. Trust the process, enjoy the creativity, and celebrate every improvement. This entire content has explored the beauty, value, and profit potential behind turning reclaimed wood into rustic wall art for today's homes. You've learned how to source, prepare, design, market, and price your creations in a way that brings real results. The magic lies not just in the wood, but in your hands and imagination. Thank you for being part of this creative exploration. Your support means everything, and your passion for upcycling keeps this movement alive. If you enjoyed this journey, feel free to stay connected, share your thoughts, and keep creating. Every piece you craft adds more beauty to the world. Until next time, thank you for joining, and may your reclaimed wood projects continue to shine with purpose and profit.